Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Yes, it's working well. Switch it on, boys. Switch it on.
This is how Ishmeet was wooing his girls 5 years back.
On तो किया नहीं recording. वो कर दिया क्या?
कर दिया
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are back again. अच्छा मैं वापस होस्ट बनूं क्या? नहीं अब कोई और करो, ज्यादा हो
नहीं
गया.
नहीं नहीं तू ही है होस्ट
राहुल को अच्छा नहीं लगता जब मैं होस्ट.
No,
Rahul?
dude, you're doing it really well.
yeah
I know. I was just being modest, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to another gorgeous episode, or so we hope it would be, on Three Friends and a Tiffany. And this one's gonna be, I believe, a laugh, right? It's gonna be something super personal because we'll be talking what it was like to come out of a boys' school and our experiences with breaking the ice with the opposite gender, and also about other things which people in boys' school think, do, etc. So tune in, maza aane wala hai, we hope. And yeah, let's get right to it. Rahul, since you are the one person, of course,
Arey yaar.
I'll tell you. See guys, you already know Georgie was the dada. So Georgie सब कुछ पहले ही
अरे
किया.
यार
ठीक है ना? राहुल ऐसा आदमी है. Rahul is what we call a kanda. I'll give you guys an example of that. Rahul is a kanda because if a woman is crying or feeling bad, she knows Rahul, she doesn't know Rahul, she's wed, she's widowed, she's married or whatnot. Rahul will go with his left shoulder up and say, yeah, tell me क्या हुआ. So Rahul is kanda or shoulder. So Rahul, you tell us, coming from a boys' school, being the rich white boy, Amiri and all
Arey
that.
yaar.
Anyway, how did you become the kanda? Let's go.
does he even
How did I
admit
become
it
the-
first
I don't know what to say. Like, I've heard a lot of stories, but I thought that was just normal. I didn't think I was doing anything additional. But in that
Okay.
sense, if you think about it, okay, fine, I'll agree. What else will I do?
Beauty, my boy, beauty. Chal, bol.
Arey,
How
but
did this happen?
how did this happen? No, it just happens. It's just very normal. It's just like, okay, you're talking or texting, then hi, how are you? I don't know what you talk when you're like 14 years old, yeah. Every day you're like, oh, hi, how are you? How was your day? How was school?
तो ये सब
Those
बात
are
करता
questions
था
that were asked. Bro, Facebook, you see my
Rahul.
old Facebook chats, bro, it's so embarrassing. But yeah, I mean, that's how it initially started. Like, and I didn't know how to talk to anybody. It's like, hi, how was your day? Like, what do you ask? What do you say to begin a conversation? I didn't know that. Now that I think of it, I still don't know that. But I'm a little more comfortable talking to the opposite gender now.
how did you
But
start off like let's say
Yeah. What was your first interaction like?
let's say you're interested in another individual and how do you start off the conversation, what do you say, how do you break the ice?
मेरे को याद नहीं है. All I remember is it was very difficult because I was just like, suddenly I was 13, moved to this new apartment complex, right? And this new apartment complex had there was this whole group of girls, there were like 7 or 8 of them. And there were like 2 or 3 guys. The guys were absolute choms, like chom to another level. Okay. So it was very intimidating because a couple of them the girls were also elder to me, and from my entire life I'd always heard that these girls are more mature than guys growing up, when they're 14, 15. Fact
ये
of
कौन
life,
बोला
girls
तुझे?
are actually more. My mother.
Biology.
No, I didn't. Not mature in bro, not a biological sense, in a brain sense.
I got it. Anyway.
So I was very intimidated that time. So I used to just hang around and not say much. I was better at, individual conversations. So I could text them on Facebook, or I didn't even have a phone that time. So Facebook, yeah. So Facebook was the avenue.
तो ऐसे स्टार्ट करता था, हाय we can be
Hi.
friends, smiley.
No, first send friend request, then say hi.
Of course.
I was going through
That's
some I don't know why this happened last week only. I just found out this profile who had texted in 2015 or something, okay, and I opened this chat ki dekhne ke liye ki main, I remember texting her, what did I text, how did I start, and I went through the conversation and I was like, oh cringe.
Dude, tell me one thing. Like, can you imagine texting in like short forms now? Like after like so many years. When I was 13, 14, sup.
अरे अरे मैं ये करता था जो ऐसे फुल स्टॉप पंक्चुएशन नहीं है, डॉट 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 डॉट.
Huh,
Bro,
everywhere,
that used to be in
yes.
our Facebook posts, not only in like our conversations. You used to look at a Facebook post also from 10 years ago. No, this was just wannabe, trying to be cool, 14-year-olds.
What shit, yeah. And that, even
You know, I
that
have.
chat, okay, that chat, if you read on continuously, it's like me being like eager, and like, you know,
Oh.
Okay,
Yes, I
to
know,
our
I know.
listeners, I think you should listen to the episodes before this as well. But we spoke about this in a couple of episodes back, where Ishmeet went to tuitions just for Ladki Bazi, which is basically to
Yeah, I'll
not
come to
talk to
that.
girls. So I just want to ask Ishmeet, how did that go?
That went fantastic. I'm not even ashamed to talk about it. I also have remind me guys. I have a story about Rahul here and his shoulder thing, but we'll come to that since Rahul abhi mere बारे में बोला है. So yeah, so I think I was like Rahul said, I was coming from a boys' school. Class 7 May, I had the first proper female interaction, and I used to do drama for a local group, and there was this girl. Okay, I think Georgie also remembers her name, but मत बोलना कभी ना कभी शायद वो सुन ले and वो regret करे. Anyway, so I was in class 7. I think she was in class 10, and I was like, damn, कितनी सोहनी है. So that's how I think that was the proper set of interaction I got. And since we were in drama, we used to talk about बात हो ही जाता था. So that really helped me, and I used to be very sweet and shy, and just talk, and then I used to crack. I've always been cracking jokes, so I was also known as the funny guy, and I used to get the situations to be normalized. I think tuitions ka specifically, um I found this girl damn cute, and I was like, bhai itni cute, क्या है ये? So I was like, cool. And then it just happened. But I'm not even so in my tuition. If there were 5 girls and 5 guys, I was friends with all the 5 girls, and the guys were like, नहीं बात होता था इतना. And I had a thing, मतलब सबके साथ एक अच्छा इक्वेशन था. मेरे को तो ये भी लगता था 5 में से 3 लोग मेरे को लाइक करते थे. 2 का मेरे को पता है, 1 को क्योंकि मैंने पटा लिया. But and I think it just was very easy. I used to take, like Rahul, you said you used to be good with individual discussions. If we were a group, I would make sure ask them. I used to ask them questions. Syllabus का हो नहीं हो whatever, so that group में एक comfortability आ जाए कि हाँ Ishmeet is a nice guy. He doesn't, मतलब he's sweet, he's good. And then Georgie, I know what you're gonna say. I know what you're gonna say. But irrespective, so that is how I used to get the conversation into play. And then individual चला जाता था. And मेरे से बंदी पट गई. इन्फैचुएटेड थी. मैं नीस पे जाके उसको प्रपोज किया था भरी सड़क में. मेरे को ये भी याद है. I don't know why I did that. I cringe. I feel like killing myself right now. But yeah, that was one of the things I used to do. I
Ishmeet,
think I see both of you face palming.
no, Ishmeet,
But yeah, yeah, I know
out
what
of
it is.
the number of people or people of the other gender that you've met, gender or sex that you've met, how many
Uh,
do you think
uh.
have had a crush on you? Let's say
अरे
100%
bro,
होगा.
I'll
Give me a
tell you.
percentage.
देख 100% तो मत बोल. हम बता सकते हैं आउट ऑफ आई थिंक confirmed. Confirm मतलब I've
Confirm.
spoken about it later also. Let me count.
He's counting. He's literally sitting and
Wait,
counting it right
I know. I
now.
can tell you the names also. 4 अभी
नहीं
तक
नहीं,
हो
no,
गया.
I don't want.
My God.
कॉलेज में तो ज्यादा लक नहीं था.
So what? After the time
6.
gets over, you ask the person, Did you
6.
like me at that point?"
अरे वो पता चल जाता. They just admit they because I'm too hard to let go and all.
ये
Fuck, what am
सर्वे
I saying?
किया है.
Anyway, there were 6. उसमें 6. There were 6 to 7. 6 confirmed. बाकी कोई secret crushes होगी, I don't know. 6 तो confirmed.
भाई तू वोटिंग पार्लियामेंट में से काउंट कर सकता है भाई. How many will vote in favor of the bill?
No, this is legit. These 6 people I know for sure. I
Okay,
had
but
crushes on
what?
2,700 people. That's
What
it.
did
That's
you
my
how,
point.
how did you conduct this survey?
Oh, so they just admitted, and I was like, no.
Oh, you were like, no.
Yeah, I told you, you guys know these people, bro. Let's move on. So yeah, that was my thing, and I used to be very so in tuition. This is one of the things I did when I was still crushing on this one particular girl. Saraswati Puja tha, so all of us were chilling, and Bengali tuition tha, so everybody was there. So somebody gave me a dare, and I was always very energetic. I don't know कहाँ से इतना testosterone आता है मेरे में. Somebody said, Ishmi, dare propose to any girl you find cute here. Or hum being myself, I went on. It was a joke kind of a thing, and I asked her, "Will you be my Facebook password?" Because that was something I'd read recently, and everybody was like, "Whoa!" And I was like, and I mean, I was feeling good about that. And वो बंदी पट भी गई finally. But this is how I was. I used to be a little socially awkward. Like if it was a big group of girls, I used to get intimidated. But even if I knew a couple of them, I think I used to use that in order to start talking to the rest.
Joyji, what about you? What did you do?
Dada. Dada.
Just for context, one second. Just for context for our listeners, I think Joyji's first experience was him rowing.
Rowing.
He went rowing for the school, and this was his way of doing his ladki bazi.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
like to give you more context as to why rowing was my avenue, because we all of us were in a boys' school, okay, where we have no access to the other gender, and therefore the only way in which you could get access is through engaging in extracurricular activities. And me, see, Ishmit had his drama, Rahul had his building. So
Funny guys, very funny.
I had my extracurricular activities was sports. So sports mein, like obviously when I played cricket or I played football, so these were with people or same. But I played with cricket with boys. The rowing was one sport where there was also the female team. And when these competitions happened, female races also happened, races for female teams. So obviously over there was interaction, and where I saw my common guy friends who had same age का female friends. And वही हम भी क्या वही इश्मीत की तरह एक दोस्त था, उसका दोस्त मेरा दोस्त बन गया, तुम लोग साथ में चिल करने लगे, तो वही कैजुअल फ्रेंड्स से बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स,
फिर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स,
फिर लव हो गया,
फिर
लव हो गया, बाप रे बाप.
राहुल doesn't, अरे it's a joke, bikini shoot, तू सुना है गाना?
Oh, yeah, I've heard the song. I didn't know it was part of it.
Good one, Joyji. I like that meme input. राहुल को तो पता ही नहीं साला अमेरिकन. Anyway.
You were saying, Ishmit.
Yeah, so no, Joyji was saying.
Now why does Rahul sound so done with us?
No. But I think Joyji, what you mentioned, yeah, very fair. I think that was the easiest way to get it. क्योंकि एक तो हमारा ग्रुप में हीरो होता ही था जो कूल बन के कर लेता था ग्रुप में, फिर एक एक करके you just start getting building
But
friendships.
gradually, like as we go on and as we mature, for another uncool, to use your word, to use another uncool guy, we become the cool one then. Considering now we have that social status now.
Tuition, bro, tuition. I was the guy.
But I feel sad that our entire schooling hasn't taught us this basic fact or basic life skill of just talking to another individual, which is the person of the other gender, and we are so bad at it. Like I'm now decent or okay at it. I don't feel that weird doing it, but right from school, right from like early ages, early classes, I felt damn weird. It was difficult. It was a difficult skill to develop, and it was actually a skill. Like if I had to put it simply, if you have to make friends with a guy, all you have to do is pass a ball to him. If he
Bro,
catches,
you could not have put
Good
it
analogy.
better.
if he catches the ball and he passes it back to you, you cannot say a word and just throw the ball to each other and chill for a good hour.
Easy.
Yes, sir.
But things are a little different when it comes to the other gender.
Good one.
Good one,
Yeah.
Joe.
So
Good one. I tell me, Joyji, since you put this. Acha, sorry, go on.
So
I'll ask
I
you.
had friends with like guy friends, male friends in everywhere. Like it was very easy for me to build friends. Like there were these like employees who used to be in a building, used to be an apartment, but used to have like an office also. So the office staff also I could play with, or play cricket with or football with, because people at that time didn't have PUBG. They used to play cricket in the evenings. So yeah, so that time I could make friends with them very easily. People of not my age also. So age also was not a factor. But
Yeah.
gradually when another aspect came into chilling with people, like dealing with another set of individuals, then problems arose definitely, and I was in myself to deal with it. I didn't know how to deal with it. I had to figure it out on my own.
Yeah.
I think there were more emotions there than one person. So we didn't have the emotional quotient to. Never mind.
इमोशनल क्वेश्चन दूर का बात है, पहले मुंह से बोले क्या? व्हाट शुड आई से? हाय, हेलो. सो जॉर्जी, यू मेंशनड हियर, अच्छा
हाँ,
एक
हाँ.
सेकंड, मैं फिर भूल जाऊंगा. जो यू मेंशनड कि दिस शुड बी टॉट इन अ बॉयज स्कूल और इन एनी स्कूल इन जनरल, हाउ, व्हाट, वैल्यू एजुकेशन क्लास में एक पीरियड?
नहीं
What
मतलब
do you
पहले
say,
तो
guys? When you approach girls, say hi.
नहीं
Then ask
Imagine
how are
Mr.
you.
Villain.
What do you
पहले
mean?
Imagine Rahul Sequeira telling us how to talk to a woman. भाई हम तो बोलता, क्या बोल रहे हैं भाई?
सुन पहले मेरा सोल्यूशन तो ये है कि बॉयज स्कूल गर्ल्स स्कूल तो हटाना चाहिए. एक आर्केक कॉन्सेप्ट है ये. if I was interacting with a female person or person of the other gender from, let's say, class 6 onwards or class 1 onwards, I would be much more open to ideas and ways of interaction,
Yeah.
and would be much more
But
normal to me.
But we went to a school which had a Jesuit culture, so we can't really say much there.
So yeah, I think he's saying कि पूरा industry में, I mean industry में, पूरा education minister should say no more boys school, only co-ed school. Difficult है, time लगेगा, but I think that's a step in the right direction for sure.
But that's also assuming ki all co-ed schools have it better, and that's the solution. I'm saying it's one step towards the solution. The boys' school aggravates the problem.
Hmm. Hmm. And I think it's the same from a girls, could be, I mean girls school
See,
perspective only कि they don't have access to guys.
Like I'm
From
saying the problems that we face, matlab we have faced, and I can attest to
Hmm.
that, is then we came to class 6, 7. Okay, that's when our, let's say, puberty hit, and we had questions
Yeah.
of, let's say, sexuality and things of that sort, which we didn't
Hmm.
know how to address. So the only people addressing it were the people who were speaking openly about it in a filthy way. Let's say people who had access to blue films or pornographic material and things like that. And that's
Yeah.
how we got access to how to explore our sexuality at the very outset.
That's a very wrong way to start.
Yeah, it
It's a
is.
good point, Joyjeev. Pretty good point.
no knowledge.
Good one, bro.
Hashtag
Good one.
educational
Educational podcast 2
podcast.
times in a row. Hashtag. कौन बोला उसको बोलेगा, हम जो भी मेरे को फीडबैक दी, कुछ गेन करने को नहीं है पॉडकास्ट से. Anyway, sorry.
No, those are off topic, but those are the kind of people who will just listen to something and they will not analyze it. Depth नहीं है आदमी में.
Are
There's no depth in the person.
sir.
Depth. Deep, bro. Now, what is your take on all these things? कि I think Joyji was also spoken about. तेरे को क्या लगता है? क्या solution हो सकता है and क्या कर सकते हैं इसके बारे में?
Bro, solution though, honestly, I don't think there is right now. Even if you talk about all boys school, removing all boys school, I don't think you can remove the entire notion of an all girls school, because some parents will not be comfortable sending their children to a co-ed school. You need to understand that also.
Yeah.
ये बात भी
And
है.
especially in India.
With the culture and the society we live in, not only Indian, but no matter where you are in the world,
Hmm.
it is happening.
Okay.
What is
You
happening?
know, people are scared. Okay, fine. There are cases of how do you say, objectifying, molestation, raping, etc. Right?
Hmm.
And people are aware of it. And yes, it is happening to guys as much, not as much, but as well as girls. But again,
Yeah.
with the
That's
culture we
a-
live in, you everybody gets the point. I'm trying to be politically correct here. I'm trying to be very cautious with my words. So that's what I'm saying. The parents will not be okay with it. So you can't get rid of all girls school for sure. But also, isn't it the parents' choice? It was not like we didn't have that. Our parents had the choice of sending us to a co-ed school versus a boys or an all girls school. All boys school.
They didn't really have a choice. Like I gave interviews everywhere, and I was
I only gave an interview in Xavier's.
अरे तू तो है, तेरा डैड भी तो
हाँ।
था, तेरा तो यू आर दैट नेपोटिज्म।
अरे
Oh my
करण जौहर
God,
का
you
बेटा।
guys.
अरे जस्ट किडिंग, जस्ट किडिंग, एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट किडिंग, नेपोटिज्म। बट या ठीक है। सही है, बट देख आई डोंट डिनाई, मेरा भी काफी जगह ट्राई किया, बट माय डैड ऑलवेज वांटेड मी टू गो टू जेवियर्स बिकॉज उनको जाना था, सो दैट्स हाउ
I
डिवाइडेड
हम
think your
हम
अफेक्शन
parents
आई
made a
लैंडेड।
good decision.
वही तो ये पॉडकास्ट नहीं
थैंक
होता
यू।
फिर।
हाँ, दोस्ती नहीं होता.
थैंक यू।
सो स्वीट,
Thank you,
सो
mom and
क्यूट,
dad.
सो क्यूट।
हाँ
आहो।
ये हम
या
I got rejected from a school because I didn't say thank you when someone gave me an Alpenlibe.
Bad manners. वो तो तुम्हारा अभी भी है.
Of course, राहुल जॉर्जी अभी भी वैसा ही है। See it plays। अच्छा, let's, so I think we've gotten to the point कि हाँ राहुल का भी अच्छा solution था, लोग और like people, parents especially could be little apprehensive।
But I'm not interested in knowing what can be done. I'm interested in knowing what you guys did to get through this barrier.
काफी asking the right questions.
अच्छा, I have
Because
a
okay,
I
what
have
you
a
do, what
story।
you do.
I want to tell a
बोलो.
story about Rahul, ठीक है ना? I remember this very clearly, okay? We will not name the person for sure, but
मेरे को
if
भी
she's
context
listening,
पता चाहिएगा.
if she's listening to this, she will understand, I'm sure। 18th birthday, so my birthday is on 24th January। Wish कर देना guys मेरे को। I think Georgie remembers this, and I think that particular year we were 18। Rahul, you celebrated your birthday just 2 days after my birthday because I think you were flying out। कुछ
I
तो था, तू 26 को किया
I
था, एक दिन बाद कि 2 दिन
हाँ,
बाद।
27th or something it was हाँ, yeah, it was
Yeah, it was
one or
very
2 days.
close, yeah,
The issue was
yeah,
ISC. My parents wouldn't let me otherwise.
yeah, could be possibly, yes, yes, yes। So I kept my birthday, no, there was, I of course I didn't, अब इतने भी मेरे फीमेल फ्रेंड्स नहीं थे, 3-4 लोग ही आए थे, ठीक है ना, irrespective। राहुल हटा ही दिया है, राहुल डाल डाल, कुछ कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं है। So फिर I had this particular friend of mine who was another friend of mine की friend, and I used to know her again through tuition। So irrespective, राहुल कभी उससे बात भी नहीं किया होगा, एक बार शायद मिला होगा, कभी बात भी नहीं किया होगा। So I'm like, cool, party वार्टी हुआ, she was a friend of mine, आई राहुल मिला, मैं देखा सब बात करा, I was happy, मेरा birthday successful रहा। Now I go to Rahul's birthday party after 2 or 3 days, and I see her। I am like, wait, what are you doing here? And she's like, I don't know, Ishmeet, I'll be very honest with you। So she was a decent friend of mine back then। Like, Ishmeet, I'll be very honest। Rahul, put on
I
your
can
earphones।
listen to you. Don't worry, I can hear
Oh,
you.
you can hear now। So Rahul is so ashamed। So she's like, I know Rahul started talking to me a lot after your party, and he was just continuously talking to me, and he invited me to his party। मैं सोचा कि ठीक है, प्रीवी में पार्टी है, दारू फ्री का मिलेगा, बंदा फ्री में इनवाइट कर रहे, मेरे सारे बाकी फ्रेंड्स भी, मैं आ जाती हूँ। Then that theory got confirmed कि राहुल लंबा बाल देखता है ना तो राहुल फिसल जाता है, वो किसी को डेट करिए, कुछ करिए, नो, मतलब आई वाज शॉक्ड। राहुल हैज नेवर स्पोकन टू दिस गर्ल बिफोर माय बर्थडे पार्टी। इतना क्या, मतलब उसको अपने बर्थडे पार्टी में बुला लिया। भाई देख, मेरा, हम इतना अमीर नहीं है राहुल जैसा। आई वाज लाइक 18 से 19 लोग आ गए, मैं टेंशन में आ गया। राहुल का पैसे 25 लोग थे, 35 लोग आ गए यार पार्टी में, सोचो। So this is one very interesting, and Rahul has always been this way, yaar। That is what I feel। What do you think about you? Jo, your reactions were very, oh my god, oh my god। What do you think about this? When Rahul is regretting, I think we should do this as a video podcast। I want people to see what Rahul went
I
through।
think we should work on post edit.
Oh
Okay,
my God.
what do you think, Joe? What do you think about
नहीं
this?
ये राहुल ये I don't know this birthday party I don't remember I don't think I was invited or I was not there for some reason.
Arey, of course,
You
yeah।
were there.
I was there.
No, you have
You
to
were
be।
very much there.
I don't
I'll tell you after the podcast who this
Arey,
person
I
was,
know
then
who
I
this
think you guys will
person was.
remember। Rahul, you know, Georgie doesn't know, na, I'll tell
हाँ
you।
हाँ ठीक है तो पता नहीं भाई राहुल ऐसा हमेशा नहीं था मतलब this is one you're aggravating this one incident to put like a general tag on his entire character.
Arey, you speak to Anurag, he'll testify to this।
A-
Anurag and
Anurag
I
has
totally
no
believe
idea
this।
of what my relations are with anybody. Who is he to say?
ओ भाई, ये वाला पार्ट काट दे। अरे नहीं, वी बोथ बिलीव कि राहुल लंबा बाल फिसलेगा। राहुल कंधा है, राहुल कंधा था, राहुल कंधा रहेगा। अब राहुल मेरे को मारेगा स्क्रीन
और
से
ये
निकल
तो
के।
हम पूरा राहुल वाला ये पार्टी हटा देगा चिल कर विल ठीक है भाई कुछ थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया आई थिंक
हम
ये गुस्सा दे, थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम वाला बात था क्या राहुल?
नहीं हम डिनाई नहीं करेगा सबका.
अच्छा
Like
देख ले,
I
जो
won't
पार्ट डालना है डालना है,
deny
क्योंकि
the
it was a
fact.
funny story. मतलब मैं एक्चुअली बहुत शॉक में था और मेरे को एड्रेस करना था. Anyway, moving on.
भाई मेरे को याद नहीं करना ये सब. This is what was part of that embarrassing childhood moments where you're cringing at yourself, dude. What the fuck?
Yes, it's okay. I think it's fine.
Okay, हाँ continue जो.
Yeah, so what did we do to overcome the barrier? Was the
Hmm.
question
His
that
question was
Rahul
something
asked.
else.
It was the question that you asked.
This
No,
only.
yeah, but then
Yeah, you asked
I
this
thought you were
question.
reacting to the story.
I said I'll delete the fucking story. No, how can I react to something that is deleted?
Okay, bonus episode.
Yeah.
Anyway, go on.
So how do I deal with it? I tell you, see, I think the way it was easier for the three of us is because I think we all have a sister who is, matlab, we are a sister. We all have sisters. Sister is a.
My sister is anti-boy right now. What are you saying?
ठीक है, हम लोग
तुम
का
लोग
हम
दोनों
लोग
का.
Actually, good point, Rao Joyjeev.
Yeah, we all have this. Bro, still, bro, you had a sister. You saw your parents dealing
I
with
had,
your sister.
yeah, that's fine. Yeah,
So
yeah.
Hmm.
yeah, so though that way of some sensitization came in to you through that also. While someone else was like an only child, the people I can imagine from my school at that age, 6 7, who were like the only child, were a little not that sensitized to certain ways of addressing,
Hmm.
ways of talking to, and even like female teachers for that matter.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, so
oh,
this is a
yeah.
yeah. So if we really get into this, we'll create a lot of lot of names will come up, a lot of controversy will happen. But we didn't really. There were issues with people addressing people, and after a while, like the way I dealt with this was I was like just smiling, ha 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 ha, funny, 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 yeah, yeah, okay, laugh, laugh, laugh. But I'm not engaging in that conversation with you.
Absolutely. Yeah, I agree, Joe. I mean, the point, sorry, the point where you mentioned about names will come up and all, like, just to give you guys context, some of those people who used to be, see, everybody matures, everybody grows a brain, whatever. The same people who used to do that lot of shit in class, speak in a very horrible way about teachers itself. They're the same people right now who put up a post about how you should be, speak nicely about women, and how I am a very good guy. I'm an example of what feminism should stand like. So of course ठीक है सब बड़े होते हैं, they all came out of that phase, but then it just feels a little bit thinky कि bro, I know you jerked off to that teacher in class, so stop
Baap re baap.
showing so much of gyan on Instagram. You know who kind of people I'm talking about. Stop showing off so much of gyan in class. But I'm at least I hope they're actually saying it because they believe in it. So it was very not challenging, I'll say, but for listeners, it is, there are horrible things that do happen in school as well, and we are glad we didn't engage, so to speak, with those set of people. Thank God I had Rahul, Joyji, Anurag, Surya, Jeremiah
Hmm.
to grow up, and I think you will eventually learn about it, and then it's how you execute on it. तुम जो सीखा है whether तुम वो exhibit कर रहे हो या नहीं.
Hmm. I think there's a way of addressing it also. If people, let's say parents, are also a little more open to addressing these issues, because you know that class
Hmm.
5, 6, 7, us time tak people start learning these things. Like you start getting
Hmm.
exposed to what the word fuck means. Like there was a time I used to ask
Hmm.
young relatives that, bro, oh, you know the word fuck, what does it mean? Like aisa. So then so there's a requirement of communication and interaction and education with regard to these aspects, and in a good systematic way where things are not taboo, because once things are taboo, then you develop other ways of getting to it, and now with the internet you can get a lot of ill formed opinions about such things, sensitive things.
I completely agree with what you said, Joyjeev and Ishmeet, and I think I wish there was a better system in place, but I don't think such things can be taught. It's very difficult. It's something you learn on your own with experience. It's just that I think maybe in a co-educational school you're so used to the opposite gender that at some point I'm sure people mess up in co-ed schools also. It's not like it comes easy. I'm sure all of us have screwed up in some way or the other talking to the other gender. You just don't know what to say. It's just that it's come a little late to us.
But they can be taught, right? If you're more open and you're engaging in such discussions,
it can be more comfortable. Comfortable in this, as in you're comfortable talking to the other person. Like you can be made to feel comfortable.
In fact, that can't be taught.
Anyway, we are going to end this episode on that note. Such controversy, two conflicting opinions. Our listeners can believe in whatever they want to believe in, but just to our listeners, let us know what you feel. Do you think co-educational schools are the way to go? Do you think boys' schools should be removed? If yes, just ping us on Instagram, email us at 3party@gmail.com. If you're on YouTube, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe, because that's the only way you'll know that the new episode is out. Of course, also follow us on Instagram because we post over there as well. Alright.
क्या बात है, हाय मैं मर जावा सोनियो, दिल जीत लेता तुसी.
Chalo guys, bye bye.
Bye bye.